Get ready to explore. There's so much to find. Little Einsteins, we need you. Little Einstein.
Where did you go? I should know, but it's cold and I don't wanna be lonely. Was hoping you'd come home.
I'm tired and all I wanted was just a picture where I was doing this.
Welcome back to my channel, guys. I'm not even ready to do this. Wait. I don't even know where to start. Like, it's actually the weirdest thing, justifying the way you sound just because your pronunciation of things is different. Like,
It's the lights on.
You switch the lights on when you get out, Daddy. What if there was people in the car? See, this happens.
Yeah, because that's not the place for a phone there.
like, I never really understood when I was younger. Like, I never really understood. Like, I grew up in Mossel Bay. Why it was a thing to tell me exit and if I maybe, went to Cape Town or like into Cape Town to visit like, my family. And then I just go home and then I sound a little different than, the rest of the people that's living in my town just because I just happen to say me. And that to them was automatically exit.
Papa! Hey guys, if you're watching this, you're about to watch after because I don't know.
I guess to me it was like character jumping, but through accents. And trust me, they're not even good accents. They're not even like Russian or like Spanish. They're literally just English and Afrikaans with accents from people all around South Africa, all around the Rainbow Nation.
Yeah, I look like a mess, but your girl just witnessed some really, really intense road rage. Traffic makes people go mad. Traffic makes people go bonkers. It's insane. Why I'm stuck in traffic?
Mostly I just sound African American with a South African colored accent. To me, I never really noticed until I started editing my videos. I can kind of see where my non-understanding race group comes from.
Is it? Oh, is it?
Ay, que chome. Strange one, that one. Strange one. But we got a lecture based on periodontal disease, what it actually means to have periodontal disease. There's a target market that requires you to sound a certain way, especially if it's in education, especially if it's just in communication, just getting the message across, just transmitting whatever knowledge you have onto someone else, and that requires you to sound a certain way. I've adapted a little bit of African American through the movies that I've watched. I've adapted a little bit of Afrikaans met die wit skole wat ek gegaan het. Sound weird. I'm gonna try that again. Ja, met die verskillende groepklere in ons land is daar baie aksente en ongelukkig het ek my nog nie al hy goed opgetel man. Sien jy, is my nog nie een van hy dinge. Ek het my nog nooit opgetel en dit nog nie daarmee deel. Sometimes when you speak English for too long, it's like your Afrikaans does not make sense unless you're talking Gam with your friends. Unless you are you're way into life. So I guess that's a story time. I'm already in my PJs, getting ready for bed. It's Monday. Brand new week. Brand new goals to smash. It's 2020, guys. Remember, appliance is key. Sounding like a different person every 25 seconds is not you having an identity crisis. It's not you. It's just I get a kick out of playing with accents. Strictly South African accents. And it's not like you guys don't understand. It's not like you don't understand just because I sound different. You know, point is, we're trying to get the message across. And if you get the message across, no matter how you sound, it's communicating, right?
For nothing before we get carried away. Before we get carried away. Yeah.
We now interrupt with special broadcast message. That was really bad. I guess the only thing I know is really how to sound like an Indian. Maybe. I have heard people say that I can probably look like an Indian, or maybe that I look Indian, but then I'm like, not this Charo.